Hey guys, it's Sydney here, and I'm so excited to talk to you today about an exciting addition to our Auto SFB strategy. And this is a brand new flow that you can pull right into your account. If you want to implement this strategy, if you've checked out Auto SFB, but you've thought, hey, I'm not on the first 3 pages of Amazon for these specific keywords. So if you haven't checked out Auto SFB, I definitely recommend doing so. But one of the things that Troy really recommends in that video is that you are within the first 3 pages of Amazon. If you're ranking really well for those keywords that you're targeting, it's going to be way easier for your customers to just go straight to the home page on Amazon, look up the keyword that you told them to search for, and be able to easily and quickly find your product. And you definitely want to be within the first 3 pages for search, find, buy. It just builds a lot more trust, makes the process a lot smoother for the customer, and really just builds your authority for your brand. But if you're thinking, I want to implement this kind of strategy where I'm targeting multiple keywords, I'm automating my ranking strategies, but I don't have that kind of visibility yet. This is a perfect solution to sprint to the top 3 pages of Amazon, and then you can go ahead and implement Auto SFB from there. So we'll go ahead and jump in and get started. I'll give you guys an overall view of this flow. And again, you can download this for free right on our ManyChat page. So definitely recommend you go in and check that out. But one of the things that I wanted to do was just walk through some of the elements that you will need to change. And then I'll go ahead and show you what is similar to Auto SFB and what should stay the same. So let's jump in. So right here at the beginning of the flow, you can see that the first step is very similar to Auto SFB. Most of this looks really similar. There are just a few key specific differences that we're going to chat about. But this is a rebate flow, so we will be capturing their email address at a later time in the flow, sending it to a Google Sheet, and then from there you can send mass payments to give rebates to those users. So they'll click yes, you've already built the excitement through your ad, and if they say no or not yet, I'm not ready, you can send them back into this step and you give them all the options there. So the main difference here, you can have up to 6 outcomes, and make sure these all add up to 100%. Just be sure to remove these outcomes if you don't want to target up to 6. And here we have 6 action steps that will set the custom field to whatever specific keyword we want to target. So in this case, it's a vitamin C serum, and we are setting each keyword to a different variation of that we want to target. And then what's cool about this is this custom field is pulled directly into this optimized link. So we use our own URL generator, pull in those keywords, and then the user will be able to click and automatically go straight to your product, targeting that specific keyword. So the image step here is optional. This looks a lot like the Auto SFB step, but really the main difference here is this optimized link. We kept the image in here for authority and just to increase some recognition with your product. We find that it does build trust between clicking through the flow and seeing that same image first thing. Just a really good way to build trust with your user. And the rest of the flow here is the same as Auto SFB. We go through a verification step where they verify their order ID, run it through, make sure that they actually did create an order, and then we give them an opportunity to send over their PayPal email. So make sure you're updating all of the external requests here with your API key. That's a big thing. And then also update the Google Sheet here to map to the proper Google Sheet that you want to use to capture their email address. So once again, this is very similar to the rest of Auto SFB. If you're looking for a deeper dive into that strategy, I'd really recommend checking out the full-length video that Troy put together. But this is just a really helpful variation if you want to sprint to those first 3 pages, and then you can implement Auto SFB so that you can get even more sustainable ranking long-term when you simulate an organic purchase experience with a search, find, buy. So once again, guys, you can download this flow right in our ManyChat page. In our flow gallery, we have a ton of great resources there to help you get kick-started, and let us know how this works for you.